I'm Dion, and welcome to Fabtech. Started fabricating about 6 years ago in my shed. The reason why I started was I went to a local exhaust shop, wasn't happy with the $2,000 job and thought I could do this myself. So I bought a TIG and started practicing. 6 years later, we're here. Never stop learning every day. If I wasn't learning every day, I wouldn't be interested in it anymore. A good 2 years before I actually had customers knocking at my door. Started going to some local shops in Newcastle saying that I could help them out. Eventually one of them shops approached me to move in with them, which is Streamline. We started with just one bench and a hoist, and it's gone from that to my own fab room, 2 spots, and then it's gone from that to a bigger fab room with a CNC machine, and we've got 3-4 spots here with 2 hoists. We do anything from a catch can, intake pipe, intercoolers to custom intercoolers, custom end tanks, custom oil coolers. We can do billet tanks. We use a lot of Hypertune products. Basically, we don't build any engines, but we do anything to do with engine fabrication. I like the pretty stuff. I like the pretty stuff. I love a clean engine bay. So I got the CNC machine around a year ago, and it's been a massive learning curve. The reason of getting the CNC was when I first went to Hypertune and walked into that place, I just went, wow, I need one of these. Didn't know anything about CAD design or CAM design or anything, just went, you know what, I'm getting one and I'll just figure it out. And so far, I've been figuring it out. I love the guys at Hypertune. They're always there for me if I need a hand with something. They supply me with the best products available. Also, they help me get the CNC machine, they help me set it up. So we use mainly all their Hypex gear for manifolds. Nearly on every build, one of their cores. We use their inlet manifolds and throttle bodies. So we've got about 4 or 5 products of our own at the moment, and we're constantly trying to expand that range. But we also do a range of products for other companies, including in that Platinum Racing products. For Evos, but we do a cam sensor relocation and a MyVec housing relocation for Evo 9 or MyVec, S and R chassis twin pump hanger, and we do custom tanks for oil coolers. And I've got probably like 50 products to do, but it's all time. We do a lot of work for other shops in Newcastle and in Sydney, but we've got a lot of our own customer base also. So we work with many shops. One in particular at the moment is Hoonchoom. We're building their 2,000 horsepower package car, Croydon Racing. Got an Evo 10 here at the moment for them. I go down there quite frequently to do work at their shop on some of their cars. Also Precision Automotive, obviously work for Streamline. Duncan and West, they do a lot of GDRs in Newcastle. Simon's R32 GDR, it's got a race pace 2.8, EFR internally gated 8374. We did the manifold, intake, exhaust, all the fab work that needed to be done for it to be finished. Troy's car here, it's an R34 GDR V-Spec 2. It's a 2.8 race pace with the Platinum Racing brace. EFR 8374 internal gate. We did the intercooler, piping, exhaust, manifold, also everything that needed to be done. One of the guys that works for me, Shane, he's got an E30 BMW with an Evo engine in it. All the work is done here. It's got an EFR on it as well. It's got an M-Tron. It's got the works. And we've got a Fiat that we've done an EFR kit on it also. Custom intercooler with billet tanks, Wiggins clamps, exhaust. Looking at about 500 horsepower with that. Midnight Purple R34 GDR here also, in for some work. 1,000 horsepower Patrol that we're building at the moment with a TB48. Hypertune, dual rail inlet, drive-by-wire. We're about 3 months booked out at any one time. Hi, my name is Dion from Fabtech.
That's all.
Hi guys, I'm Dion. Is it? I'm Dion?
Yeah.
I'm Dion from Fabtech.
You are. You're
Okay. Hi, I'm Dion and welcome to Fabtech. Yeah.
Yep. Perfect.